we've become so attached to our dogs. They're such a part of the family that I always think of the what if, and thinking that anything could ever happen to one of them or that they could die is just a really scary thought.
Oh, Jamers. I want to just do something productive.
My dog loves me.
Can't watch that. Can't
What,
watch
she
it.
kisses me on the lips?
Yeah.
You were ugly like Midge. I
No.
would not let you.
It's not ugly.
If you were ugly like Midge, I would not let you kiss me on the lips because you're beautiful.
I'm clean.
Taking the dogs down.
Mommy, Allie and I could go walk them.
No, that's okay.
We're kind of bored.
What?
Bored.
Bored.
What?
Bored.
Oh, you're bored. You gonna take one, James?
Yeah, you could take Midge. Actually, you could take Sam. I have 3 dogs. Star is mine, and she's a teacup Maltese. Midge is my brother's, and she's a English bulldog. And Sammy is my mom's, and he is an Irish Wolfhound mix.
How many times do they pee, did you say? 10?
Well, it depends.
I don't know if I believe that. When you walk them, you have to wait for them to pee 10 times.
Yeah, they like to mark. It's more of like a
Territory?
social thing. It's like, okay, when you go out to drink at a bar, this is my theory. You go around to different bars and you have different drinks. But you don't need all the drinks. You could be fine with one. But he likes to go meet other dogs by peeing.
But how does he keep a full bladder?
Why do you keep room in your bladder if you keep drinking?
You pee.
Thank you.
He only peed twice, James.
It's okay.
You said 10 times.
I exaggerate sometimes.
Oh, I seriously thought you meant literal 10 times.
Well,
And I was
sometimes.
like, wow, that is a lot. You know what I noticed was that the second time he peed, he only took a little tinkle.
A little bit.
A little. Just a little. Woo!
Star.
Yes, Mitch.
Midge has not peed yet. Midge like never pees.
Really? It's the oddest thing.
I know he's looking for my reaction.
Come on, Midget.
I know
Go.
if
Come
I
on.
don't walk away now,
Catch your breath.
it could mean love, rekindle old passion.
There we go.
But how do I know if it's right?
Yay. You play your own music too, right?
Really?
I'm so embarrassed.
Don't be.
You're always more embarrassed that you don't stop. You're always embarrassed.
Look what you're doing to me, girl. If your music can make my dog horny, it'll sell. Guess we'll get a second win.
I really love it.
Wow.
It's very like cross between like Fiona Apple, like
Look, here she goes again. Your music does something to Midge. Whoa. She needs a boyfriend. Oh, now you just want to lick me. Good girl. Go, Midgie. Go, Midgie. Go, Midgie. Go. This is really sick. Can you please give her a cigarette?
Star. Come here. Look, she walks across the room.
I love how she hops. She's like a bunny.
Oh, my gosh. That was the greatest.
Midge, what are you doing, Midge?
Here you go, my girl.
Isn't that the neatest way how they made the mozzarella?
You know she'll eat it off my tongue. If I put cheese on my tongue, she'll eat it off my tongue.
No, do it. Jamie, that's disgusting. No, do it.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not. Do it.
Star, come here.
We have to get them on Animal Planet or something.
Hey, come here, Star. We're doing the trick. Come here, Star.
I love how she goes.
I love you, puppy, puppy, Hi, puppy.
Oh, so cute, so cute. She's so cute, little.
Which one do you want? This one or this one?
Star, look at you.